Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Hubspot. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your commerce. Once you're in there, click on Invoices. After that, it will open the section that lets you manage Hubspot Commerce. Click on Create to get started. Then choose whether you want a one-time invoice or a recurring invoice. It's important to fill in all details carefully so your invoices are accurate and professional. Adding line items for each product or service purchased ensures clarity for your customer. You can also include notes, discounts, or tax details if needed. Hubspot allows you to set payment terms and reminders, which can help improve cash flow. Take a moment to review all entries before finalizing the invoice. Next, add your billing contact, company, billing address, shipping address, and line items from your products. Include a summary and any comments. You can also specify payment collections and enable online payments. Adjust the advanced settings if needed. Once everything is complete, click Create to generate and send the invoice. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.